I'm Kendall Starcher with Catalyst Mercantile. I'm here today to teach you how to make a charm necklace. So in our kits, all of the parts come included. You get an 18-inch length of chain, a cute little pink pair of pliers, a jump ring opener, jump rings, the lobster clasp, as well as your assortment of charms. The charms are random, however, we did group them by theme. We have 7 themes. You've got Flower Power, you've got Animal Lover, Beach Babe, Celestial, Girly Pop, and then Foodie, which I'm obsessed with, as well as Lucky Charms, which it's so fun to see what is gonna come in your baggie. There's no bad combination. We also offer extension packs, so if you love your charm but want it to be chunkier, you can grab one of our extension packs as well in the assorted themes also. First thing you're gonna do is take your length of chain, it's 18 inches. If you need them shortened, it's really easy to do. Your pliers actually have clippers in them on the end right here, and you can take whatever length you wanna take out and pop with your pliers, clip it right off. To get started, after you've got your chain the right length, you're gonna open one of your jump rings, and the best way to do that is by sliding your jump ring opener onto your thumb. I like to hold the pliers in my dominant hand. The opening of the jump ring you can see is right here on the very top. Insert it into one of the slots on your jump ring holder and simply twist to open. So that way, this hand is free to help you do whatever you need, and you can just kind of hold jump rings with your plier hand. Once you get your jump ring opened, slide your lobster clasp onto the jump ring and throw that onto one of the ends of your chain. You're gonna just do the reverse to close your jump rings. Squeeze it shut using your little jump ring opener as leverage. And now your chain is ready to turn into a necklace. Taking a closer look at how to use the jump ring opener, if it still feels a little chunky, you hold it with your dominant hand, keeping the opening of the jump ring towards the top, and then simply use the jump ring opener as your leverage and your other pliers. This leaves this hand free so that you can still work while holding your jump ring with your dominant hand. The way I like to lay my necklace out is I use my biggest/longest charm directly in the center. Each kit includes 7 charms so that you get 1 center and 3 on either side, just for symmetry. And I like to do them based on just similar sizes, similar patterns. That way they're just a little more balanced. But again, there's no wrong way to do any of your necklaces. It's gonna be yours, and it's still gonna look great no matter how you decide to do it. And when you put them on, you're gonna go every other chain just to give yourself space for your charms to dangle. Once you've laid your charms out the way that you like them, you can start attaching them. So it's the same process as putting on your lobster clasp. You find the opening of your jump ring. Sometimes they're hard to find. Slide it into your jump ring opener. Pick up your charm. Find the center of your chain. Attach it. And close. You're gonna do this 7 times. Skip one, go to the next one. And close. Continue this process. Again, there's no wrong way to do it. You can do one side at a time. You can alternate sides. This is your necklace. And if you get them on there and don't like the way they are laying, you can always just take them off and rearrange them. When you're opening your jump ring, you want to remember to twist them open rather than pry them apart. This keeps your jump ring round and makes it easier to open and close and reuse as you change your mind. We're on our last charm. Once you get all of your charms on, the real test begins with just wearing it. As you pop it on, you might notice that one of your charms might have flipped around backwards or is just laying at a funny angle. You just simply take it off, twist it around, reattach it the way you want it to. Once your clasp is on and your charms are all the way you like them, go out and enjoy your day. And while you're at it, get a few more charms and make it real chunky, because that's the best way a charm necklace goes. You can find all of our charms and all of our necklaces, as well as extension packs, on our website at thecatalystmercantile.com. Find us on Instagram at CatalystMerc, Facebook, Pinterest, all your favorite places, and tag us when you get yours made. We'd love to see how you did it.